Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Focus Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find password and security. Then let's scroll to find more security settings and enter encryption and credentials. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so remove all certificates. Let's tap on this option and confirm it with OK. Of course you will have to confirm it with your screen lock, so let's do it. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.